There's a whole lot of stuff that we don't have in this apartment. For example, a bed frame, TV stand, or chairs anywhere in this apartment. However, so shout out AT&T, we got a $150 gift card. So this is what we spent with our $150 gift card from AT&T. We used on getting a ton of supplies, smaller things we need for the apartment. This is half of the packages that have arrived so far. And a box cutter.
Hello, what's behind door number
Like
one?
Christmas. Bath towels. White plastic bath towels. This is the hotel collection. Why? I want this apartment to feel luxurious.
I got a 1 gallon water bottle.
You like room temperature water.
I like, but let me sell you on this bottle. It's got quotes on there to make you want to finish. It comes with this beautiful braided rope. And look at the color. They got so many cool colors. Plastic.
I think I know what this one is. Oh, what is this?
Bathroom mat.
Your standard memory foam bath mat. This is...
This is it.
I don't know.
Chill rack. I don't know, you had to put it together like this.
All I remember is that these are waffle dish rags. But these are just dish rags to go in the kitchen so we can wipe things down. We've been running through so many paper towels because we don't have rags, so we needed these.
These are awesome.
Soft, right?
Yeah. That's what we got for y'all, y'all.
That's what we got.
So subscribe.
2 more packages have arrived. Scrub Daddy. Well, I got the Scrub Mommy because the Scrub Mommy is white and I wanted a white Scrub Daddy. I forgot I ordered this. This is for pots and pans so that they can go over the sink. Whoa, retracts. It's a little bit big. You put your dishes on top of it like that. What don't you like about it? Okay, so we have this shoe rack that I need to put together. I'm not gonna read the instructions and I hope that I can figure out how to do it. Let's begin. Okay, I think I figured out the first part. Good progress. Not happening. Getting lunch. I'm taking apart the whole thing now because apparently there's a part A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Some of the parts aren't matching. It's crooked, so I need to start from the beginning. Okay, fresh start. First part done. You know, working on this has taught me a little bit about life. Things don't fit, don't force them. There's some life advice. Jit, look at this. I'm missing a piece. Rhythm, is it? Well, that's how it looks. I might just take off those ends. I decided I like it better without those things anyway, so it's fine. Wait, this is for Jacob's shoe rack. This is only going in his closet. What an amount of effort just for that. Oh my God. So I wanted to give you guys an update. I have really been liking this little dish rack so far. It fits my pans, all of my utensils that I have. It's small enough that I actually have to put all of the stuff away. I'm gonna do that right now, but this has really been great for saving a lot of counter space. I don't know if you guys are big into using the dishwasher. I always like to hand wash my dishes, so yeah, I'm gonna put these away now. My Okay, last thing I'm gonna try to do is put together this one last shoe rack. I think this one's gonna be easier to put together than the other one, but wish me luck. Yeah, this looks way easier. approximate time, 10 minutes. See. I love this. Beautiful. Alright y'all, that's all I've got for today's video. I hope you liked my Amazon finds. We had some good and some not so good products, but overall I am really happy with what I did get. It's all really useful equipment, and for a lot of the things I bought, it helped me stay more organized, more cleanly, which is exactly what I was looking for. Comment if you guys have any suggestions for good organizational materials on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. The moving series will continue, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you can continue to see the transformation of the apartment. Thank you so much again for sticking by, and I'll see you in the next one.